Ohio gozaimasu. Welcome, as you can read, to Asian Snack Time. Probably part 3? Yeah, because that's part 2. I filmed the part 3 before I filmed this one. But we're redoing it because I'd like to now introduce my guest. Oh my god. Just take a seat. And I'll put a smoke effect in there.
Hey.
Welcome, Nixon! The lighting is usually meant for just one person, but we have 2 people today, so the lighting is going to be a bit fucked.
Alright.
Nixon, I believe that you brought us some snacks.
Oh yeah, I got some goodies.
Yeah, I heard you brought us some snacks from the people that made Gundam.
Yeah. I really want to start off with these nice prawn sticks. You see this?
So, we have more stuff from the ocean again, I see.
I like those.
This is all random. What happens is you get these boxes. Well, the first 2 times they were gifts, but this one I got a box. I ordered it myself, but you just don't know what you're going to get. Some of it's good, some of it's bad. Oh, always smell first, Nick Chan.
Oh, I'm diving right in.
Yeah.
Can I go right in?
Yeah.
They look like hot fries.
They look pretty good.
Like,
I've had these before. I'm pretty
little
sure I've had these.
indentations. You used to eat Kick cereal?
No, I had friends.
These are good though.
All right.
I like them. What are they called?
Yeah.
It's written in Chinese.
That is so offensive. It's all Japanese snacks. Totally different nation.
Nobody told me that.
But they all look the same, so it's cool.
What are the nutrition facts? Oh, good.
You get 1 square meal of Pokemon a day in this.
Well, here we have a carrot tube.
What the fuck is this? M&M?
It is filled with like M&M's.
No, feel that and tell me that's what M&M's feel like, you dumb asshole.
Oh no, they kind of feel like
They're like
soft.
chalky. Here we have Kereto! Can't say anything misogynistic because we have a woman in the room.
You gotta cut it.
No, that's for my Gundams. That's for my Gundams.
Cut it with
Ugh.
Ew, they're white. I thought they were gonna be orange.
We gotta let the audience know what they look like.
Got that crack rock. Well, I like everything. I'll eat 2 at first because I like things in
You're
twos.
fucking stupid. You never know. Oh, it's like a puffy,
It's like a fake marshmallow.
but like cereal flavored.
Yeah. Wow, this would be good in a bowl of milk.
What's next?
Now we have the soccer bunny stick.
Nick recently went to Thailand, which is right by Japan. If you look at a map, they're touching, and that's why he knows so much. Oh, it's one of
You didn't
these.
show them the wrapper. This is literally a soccer
Yeah, I
bunny
did.
dog.
It was a soccer. They know what it's like in Japan. Everything's a robot or a little girl.
Was this like an egg roll?
I don't know what the fuck this is. It smells like butter.
It's crunchy.
It smells like
It's
butter.
crunchy.
It's like a giant cheese puff. And now,
Why don't you just cut a sliver, like a piece of bread? Cut a sliver.
no, you gotta eat the whole thing.
No, I'm gonna use the cool knife and I'm cutting a sliver. Like that did not work at all.
You can't. It just. It's like a giant cheese puff.
disintegrates. Okay, yeah.
I think I like it. Is it butter flavored?
I can't tell if it's butter, sweet.
Oh.
Like a big buttered biscuit.
Yeah. Oh no.
Here we have a nice jelly tube.
This is the one that my brother had on, and he kept referring to it as
Like a glow stick?
like jizz. And
Is that
I didn't want to say jizz with Leah in the room, but I had to.
No, it's like Shrek jizz.
I don't like that noise. I don't like that noise. This is what it looks like on payday.
Yeah, boy. All that. Say I won't.
Okay, you won't. I hate
Not that bad.
Men are crazy.
It's kind of buttery because it mixed with the
Ew, I don't want to know.
soccer bunny.
We need more trends. We're going too far into this. Hey,
This is a box
Nick
of
Chan.
cigarettes.
Oh my
I think this
god.
is candy cigarettes.
No way.
Orion candy cigarette. That's what it is.
I like these though. I almost don't want to use. We're gonna try it obviously, but I almost want to like save it. Spit.
Oh, that was really slimy. Green thing.
It's made from horse jizz. Oh wait, we're gonna do a little skit right now. Give me a sec. All right, ready? Ask me for a smoke. Ready?
Hey, bro, you got to smoke?
So funny you say that. No wait. give me it one more time.
Yeah, I'll pretend to walk in.
All right, ready?
Hey, bro, you got to smoke?
What? American? You want a cigarette?
See?
So glad I have Orions here with my cool glasses.
All right, let me get one then.
Oh!
We'll talk about it.
Each time.
Ah.
They don't look that good. Ooh, they smell. Ooh.
Your tissues in here?
Do I have tissues in here? No. It's not next to a bottle of Jergens if that's what you're asking.
Lotion.
God, we're so stupid. Wouldn't it be like funny if you inhaled and like something came out? Could you imagine if I just? This is so retarded.
Wanna say hi? You show the camera.
That is so bad.
Free Willy. Yeah, no, that's good. Oh, are you really gagging? That's my water. You didn't want yours. Remember? This is Nick's. I'm wiping your Gollum fucking saliva off of it. Why do you have a rocking chair action figure? Look at that.
A rocking chair action figure. Nick talks to girls, so that's why he asks all these weird questions.
Ooh,
oh, I've had this before.
I
This is
like
actually
the
really
looks
good.
of this one.
First off, I had this before.
Yeah?
Look at that little fucker. Hey guys, what's a
That'd be really high pitched. Like,
Come on, eat me, eat me.
He wouldn't be keen to die. He'd probably just say like,
I like to go to the butterfly fish.
it looks good.
I wonder what it's like to be not so lonely. This is good.
This is good.
This is good. This is good.
This is real good. This one I'm picking looks gross.
Oh.
You see this? Look at the color. Nice rectangle.
This is a delicious chocolate treat. I don't like the fact that it's got.
It's like a brown Twinkie, but I feel like it's gonna taste like fish.
Dude, it's not.
I like the carrot.
Okay, enough with the fucking carrot puffs.
Ikadakimasu. Ikadakimasu.
That's really offensive. Let's go.
It's fucking not.
Okay, Ikadaki Mouse.
Ikadakimasu.
That's not terrible.
Why is it like the middle just like turns to nothing and the outside stays?
Because it's like a coating.
It's like skin. I think it's
Don't call it that.
skin. It's not a fucking coating. Packing peanut. You ever eat a packing peanut?
Yeah, we grew up from two different parents.
Okay, this one looks fun. This one looks like birth control. He's birth control for a monkey.
For
What a
monkeys.
monkey.
Oh yeah, it is a little
There's a
monkey.
monkey.
Would you like go into a store and they just have these in like the front? I bet. I bet.
I bet it would.
You know what I'm saying? Mr. Sakura would
Monkey
eat this
and
on the
monkey.
train station. Bottoms up, little baby.
Ikadakimasu.
Ikadaki Mouse.
That's just an M&M.
That's an M&M right there.
Yeah, no need for any more of those.
Yeah.
Melts in your mouth, not in your hands. We know the deal.
Yeah, it did. Hey, I picked this out. These
so now
are
it's your bag.
these are really good. It's like Big League Chew. No. It's like really like good Big League Chew. It's so
Dude,
good.
it's fish. I get. There's a fucking fish on it.
That's Hobbito, the happy candy fish. I like this stuff though.
All right, then you want mine.
I was raised in the ocean.
So that fish treat that Ben likes so much, he's now regurgitating it up
God.
because he lied to all of you. So unsubscribe.
I only
'cause he's alive.
I only have 40. I'm not
Now
famous.
you're down to 20. What is it? This looks like hot sauce. I want to do this one.
Probably, look at that cherry blossoms. This is probably Sakura flavored.
Sakura!
You know Sakura as the character from Naruto, but
It's also a pink flower.
that's exactly what I was gonna. And look at that.
And it's a pink candy.
Maybe it's not so good. My buddy Daniel, he can kick your ass.
That is not sweet.
No.
It's like a weird sweet. Oh, sorry. He doesn't eat vegetables. I put a blueberry in his water and he freaked out. It's, look at this.
It's like ketchup.
珍珠桥。